So guys, we are now behind the big car and it's kind of spreading fog. That shit is fucking kind of... Look guys, it's so grey.
Foda-se com caralho, esta merda aqui é o Singed, mano. What the fuck?
This shit,
What is going on?
look at the snows.
Yeah, com caralho.
What the fuck guys, look, it disconnected.
Jesus, mano. Fog of war aqui.
Yep, actually, Jesus
How does
Christ.
it feel to venture into the enemy jungle?
Actually playing grapes.
Foda-se. Estamos aqui em Mega. Yeah, com caralho. Jesus, mano.
Actually, it's so dark, we can't look. So for you guys to see the difference, look. This is what you see, yeah. This is the thing next to us, so kinda better visibility. So look, kinda Hallows one.
Caralho, Jesus, bro.
It's so grey, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh, look, you can't even rendering the fucking trees, dude. This shit is fucking 140p, dude. What the fuck? Is that allowed?